All right, 7:47 on this Sunday morning. We're waking up to the low clouds, the fog. I've been feeling like a broken record last few mornings because that's what we've been dealing with as that onshore flow is strengthening just a bit and bringing in the marine layer clouds across the coast and the valleys. Overall, we are talking a warming trend that is kicking off, and it is going to continue. You'll definitely feel it as we head into tomorrow and into Tuesday, especially if you live in the valleys. Temperatures rising to the mid to even high 80s as we head into tomorrow. So temperatures skyrocket above average, and then we're looking at a pattern shift as we move into the end of the week and into the weekend as temperatures will drop, and looking at some hints at big changes for Christmas week. I want to bring in our satellite over the last 3 hours and show you all the low cloud coverage that is moving across the LA County metro communities, of course the LA Basin, the Ventura County coastline, and down into Orange County. We're also seeing some high level clouds in the mix this morning, and we do have the dense fog advisory with us until 10 o'clock this morning across the San Gabriel Valley and across the Ventura County coastline. So visibility is down to 1/4 of a mile or less. That's what we've been talking about over the last few mornings, and really since the start of the month, we've been talking about the warmer than average temperatures. Ridge of high pressure been locked in place, sending all of our storm activity well to the north of us over British Columbia and over the Pacific Northwest. This high actually strengthening, and we've got offshore winds with us for the first half of the week. That's going to provide us those warmer than average temperatures. In fact, some areas like our warmest valley spots like Woodland Hills could feel temperatures nearing 90 degrees as we move into Monday and into Tuesday, and then we'll start to feel some meaningful changes as we head toward the end of the week and into the weekend. So definitely not feeling like December, at least for the first half of this week. Want to get you outside, show you our visibility map across Los Angeles, and boy, visibility is being impacted across many areas. When you see numbers like 1, 2, that's as far as you can see in front of you in miles. So we are even less than a mile in areas like Torrance, just about a mile in Carson, 6 in Santa Monica. So visibility is a little bit better in areas like Santa Monica, but less than a mile in northern Orange County. So that's what we're dealing with this morning. Those warmer than average temperatures continuing today. We're going to feel highs in the 70s and low 80s. We've got mid 60s at the coastline in Camarillo and Lancaster coming in at 68 degrees, but all areas pretty much above average. Again, all thanks to this ridge that is sending all of our storm activity to the north of us. But what's going to happen as we head toward the end of the week is the ridge is going to flatten somewhat, and that is going to help provide us a little bit of a cool down. And when we look at the outlook, the precipitation outlook over the 8 to 14 day period, we're looking at above average chances for some wet weather. So looking past the weekend, it's possible we see some rain into next week. LA Orange County, though, staying dry next 7 days. Temperatures in the high 70s over the next few days. We've got 80s in the mix across the valleys. Take a look at this, 87 degrees for our warmest valley spots as we move into Tuesday. Then temperatures will gradually cool as we head into next weekend. Rachel.
It's time for the Chips for Kids Toy Drive. This Wednesday, we are broadcasting live from Irvine Spectrum. Bring a toy and help support Chips for Kids. We are CVS LA. We are yours.